Vuva wa arigitani kaunti ya Embu kworota mbunge ya kaunti ni undu wa kunyivia kigina kiria kivesagwa ruvonge rwa ugima wa mwiri, undu uria kuringana nao ucungiritie kuhotama kwa utungata wa ugima wa mwiri. Riu ma MCAs nimeteterete kumana na mateta maya. Maugite makorete makivitukithia kigina kingi mbanjeti ya ugima wa mwiri niguo arigitani marivo misara yao vamwe na kwagiria utungata wa ugima wa mwiri, no ani mamakite mbeca iria irengagwa misarari yao citikoretwo cikivecana kuri ruvonge rwa ungani wa goti bururi-ri.
The truth is that there are these propagandas going that MCAs are the ones who are not apporting the funds, and I want to director even today supplementary the key component which we are giving, we are giving more money to the Department of Health because we strongly believe that the health of our people come first.
Gwa kavinda ka miaka ithatu ni gukoretwo na migomo 10 ya arigitani wanathengia gukorwa ruvonge rwa ugima wa mwiri ni ruvecagwa kigina kiria kinene muno kia budget ya kaunti ya Embu.
We've heard, and you know in politics, rumors is equivalent to truth. That there could be even those officers, CECs and CEOs, that were in the previous government who may not have been paid their gratuity in full. And therefore, we are also trying to find out whether that is a true argument, and if it is, then where did their money go?
Kuona ekaria kaunti ya Embu no mathiete na mbere kunyamara magicaria utungata wa ugima wa mwiri. Riu spika wa mbunge no Joseph Thiriku augite matire na wiki tigagia gwita maabitha a ruvonge rwa kigina vamwe na CEC wa ruvonge rwa ugima wa mwiri gutariria niki thirikari ya kaunti itakoretwo ikirivira arigitani marivi ma NHIF, marivi ma ngombo vamwe na magoti.
We have already summoned them, and we expect a detailed explanation as to the figures, how much is owed to these statutory bodies, and where exactly this money was spent and who approved, because we never approved any variation of votes, like money was meant to pay statutory deductions, and then it went to pay or to meet other budgetary expenditures. This county assembly never appropriated, never varied any votes.
Vandori Vainoro TV kuma kaunti ya Embu, mbeta kwa Peter Mungai.